So guys, we're back again with the Astra, and I've got to say this car is looking absolutely amazing now. If you've been following the rebuild, you know we bought it from Copart. Wasn't badly damaged, but needed new parts, had a bit of work. Then I messed up with the electrics, we had to fix the electrics, which was a hassle. But anyway, we finally got to the end, guys, and this is the project. If I'm just going to put the bonnet down lightly, but I'm not going to close it. And if we just take a outside look at the full car, you can just see that it has made a massive difference of what it originally was. Only thing that's left to do now, guys, is this dent here. If you come close into the ripple, you'll be able to see it's rippled over. I said in the start that I should be able to just bend it out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this on this first latch and just try and bend it out a little bit before actually taking it with a hammer. So that's on its latch, so we can still grab it from there. And we're just going to see if we can actually put any pressure into it and just... Yeah, we can't put too much pressure into it there. So what we'll do is we'll pop it back up. And we'll just tap the rubber seal part or slightly behind it with a hammer, just lightly tapping it, and see if we can send it back out. But obviously the best way to hammer something that has paint on it is to do it like this. Wow, this sounds like it's absolutely paining it. Right, so that part's gone a little bit down. If we can just see if we can try and bend it out a little bit. It is only a very light piece of metal, so you would think that we can just bend it, but it doesn't want to move at all. So if we hit it about here, we should be about here underneath, we should be able to start flicking it out. So what we'll do is we'll put the cloth on it like that. So that has come out a bit more. We're not going to go too much because we are going to start damaging the paint. That's done that part. What we're going to do is we're going to put it down a little bit and just see if we can just pull it out a little bit. So we'll grab the cloth and just a matter of fact seeing if we can actually just try and get a bit of pressure put into it. So guys, that's brought it out a lot more, and that is probably the best we're going to get without going to a body shop. If we put the rubber seal back on, where is it? There it is. So the rubber seal, it just goes back on very simple. Back into its place, slide it on. That's that. Let's close it down and see how bad that corner. Actually, do you know what? That corner's not that bad, so I'm not too worried about it. I did think it was going to be a lot more worse. It's not. So anyway, the Astra, it's looking like a car again. Front end of the Astra's back on. Next step, wash the car, vacuum the car, clean it up a little bit, see what scratches are hidden on there. Give the lights a ceramic coating. Someone asked me if I can put a bit of ceramic coating on there, and I've got some 9H ceramic coating left over from the Audi, so we will give it a shot on the lights and see what happens. Probably do that after we've washed the car. The car will be going for a wash sometime tomorrow. I will be doing it myself, but anyway, that's what the car looks like right now, guys, and it does look absolutely amazing. As far as I said about the service, that'll be carried out shortly. I'm not going to bore you guys with it because that's not really part of the rebuild project. So anyway, I'm going to do that. I'm going to change spark plugs and change oil straight after this video. Anyway, guys, if you've liked watching this so far and you are enjoying it, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, let me know in the comments what you'd like or what you'd like me to do, and I'll try and get some content around that. If you want more rebuild projects, guys, let me know in the comment section below. and I'll try and get many more projects in. Won't be heavy projects, be something similar to this, quite easy and something fun for me and fun for you guys. This one, it's still got a bit left to do. It hasn't completely finished, got MOT, etc. We need to see what's going to happen there. Anyway, once it's washed, I'll give you another little walk around the car, guys. But anyway, for now, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I keep uploading videos. Thank you.